Hello student, welcome to the Gautam classes. Today we are going to study our new topic, that is a mesomeric effect or resonance effect. So look, here I started one series. One by one I am giving all that lecture. So till that I give the about inductive effect, hybridization, hyperconjugation. So that is our next topic, mesomeric effect. So you know what is the mesomeric effect and how it is arising within the molecule in our organic compound? Polarity developed in a conjugate system by the complete transfer of non-bonding electron or pi bond electron due to the group or atom attached in a conjugate system as a mesomeric effect. That means we are knowing as a this thing mesomeric effect. So what is a polarity developed in a conjugate system by the complete transfer of non-bonding electron or bonding electron. So such effect is called what? Mesomeric effect. So here we should know about actually what is the conjugated system. If suppose that carbon carbon double bond and like this, look here carbon carbon double bond single bond carbon carbon double bond single bond double bond. If alternatively such type of system anywhere is present, we can say that this is the conjugated system. So what is the necessary condition for the mesomeric effect? Mesomeric effect arising in a molecule only in a conjugate system. If conjugate system is not there, so mesomeric effect will not arise. Second thing, if suppose that carbon carbon double bond, what is what where we can say that our mesomeric effect will observe. So what is next topic? Young effect will observe, will observe if carbon carbon double bond is in conjugation with, is in conjugation with what? So first one, conjugation with negative charge, conjugation with negative charge. Second one, conjugation with positive charge. Third thing, conjugation with lone pair electron, lone pair electron. And last thing, conjugation with the free radical, free radicals. So if anywhere such type of condition is present, we can say that mesomeric effect will observe. Suppose that here I am giving one example, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 negative charge. So definitely here conjugation is possible between where negative charge and double bond. So here mesomeric effect will arise. Another thing we can write CS2 double bond CH single bond, and here we can say that this is our CH2 plus. Here is also positive charge having the conjugation with double bond. We can say that it is having the mesomeric effect. What about the lone pair electron? If like that CS2 double bond CH single bond NH2. So look here, nitrogen atom having the one lone pair electron. So this lone pair electron having the conjugation with carbon carbon double bond. So what we can say that definitely it is having the mesomeric effect. What about the free radical? If CH2 double bond CH, and here I am giving the example CH2 this. So that free radical having the conjugation with this carbon carbon double bond. So here also mesomeric effect will arise. So these all conditions where we can say that mesomeric effect will arise within a molecule. So what is a polarity developing in a conjugate system by the complete transfer of non-bonding electron or pi electron is called what? Mesomeric effect. So here mesomeric effect is two type, plus M effect and minus M effect. So minus M effect, what is that? That means negative mesomeric effect. So negative mesomeric effect is arising in a conjugate system if any electron withdrawing group is attached, any electron withdrawing group is attached in a conjugated system, so definitely by that whatever mesomeric effect will arise, that is called the minus M effect. So look, those are the nitro group here. Nitro group having tendency to withdraw the electron density. So oxygen atom having the higher electronegativity than the nitrogen. So it is having tendency to withdraw the electron density. If it is withdrawing the electron density, so it will move on that side. So further electron density will move on here. So what will happen? Look here, negative charge of this one and positive charge of that developed here. So they will make a double bond. That means what will happen here? Here positive charge will come, and in that condition we can write CS double bond N O negative, and here as usual positive charge will remain, and here we can write the O negative. Now here both the oxygen atom will get the negative, or we can say that look here, because of this positive and negative charge is already developed, we can also write here, or because of they are present in a what they are having the coordinate bond n, here negative charge, and we can also represent this thing like that. So those are the nitrogen oxygen, they are having the coordinate bond like that. So hope you got the idea. And second thing is coming, actually how we can identify which one is our minus M effect, which one is our plus M effect. So there is some condition, by that easily we can identify which one is our plus minus M effect or plus M effect. So first condition is that in a hetero molecule, what is it? In a hetero molecule, if second atom having the more electronegativity than the first atom, in a molecule, what is it? In a molecule, second atom electronegativity second atom electronegativity greater than the first atom electronegativity. This thing. So for example here, look, if we are taking the example of nitro group, in that oxygen is the second atom, nitrogen is the first atom. So which one having the higher electronegativity? Electronegativity of oxygen is greater than nitrogen, so it is a minus M group. Second thing, like we are writing the aldehyde group. In that aldehyde group, look, oxygen having the higher electronegativity than the carbon. This is also minus M group. Second, we can say here carboxylic group, that is also nitrile group, that is also minus M group, and etc. That means if anywhere such type of condition is coming, without any doubt we can say that that is having the what, uh, minus M group, that is minus M group. Second thing, if our first atom having the positive charge, what is it? In a molecule, in a molecule, if first atom having positive charge, first atom having a positive charge. So for example, we are taking here, if anywhere like that is present CH2 plus, so definitely it is going to show the it is going to show the minus M. If anywhere thing is present like that, NH3 plus, it is going to show the plus minus M. So such type of group is going to show the minus M effect. So next thing is coming, actually any other condition is there? Only by these two condition mostly we are going to identify which one is the minus M group and which one is the plus M group. So hope in future those students will see that lecture. After that they will not have any doubt how we are going to identify which one is the minus M effect and which one is the plus m effect. But one more thing, those are the mesomeric effect. It is the distance independent effect. It is not depend on the distance. Second thing is coming, that minus m effect, plus m effect. So what is that? If suppose that mesomeric effect arises in the conjugated system by what? By the electron donating group. If any electron donating group is present in a conjugated system and polarization is taking place, so that is called what? Plus M effect. So in that look, those are the OH, it is having the two lone pair electron. So any one lone pair electron is going to participate in what? This resonance. So that lone pair electron is going to participate. This will move here. That electron density will shift in that side. Okay. So what will happen? Here positive charge will develop, and at that position what will develop? Negative charge will develop. So positive and lone pair will make a double bond. So here this negative charge. So further this electron density will delocalize in whole benzene ring. So this electron density will move here, further that one. So what will develop here? Here negative charge is going to come here. So here positive charge is going to develop, and here negative charge. So positive and negative will make a double bond. So further this negative charge density will move on that side. It will go in this side. So positive charge develop here. So positive charge and negative charge will make a double bond. So here negative charge will come. So by that our electron density is delocalizing in whole benzene ring because of that group having tendency to donate the electron density to benzene ring. That is why we can say that that is the plus M group. What is this? This is the plus M group. So now we are going to study about actually like condition for the minus M group. What is the condition for the plus M effect? What is the condition for the plus M effect? Look here. If suppose that in a molecule, first atom having the lone pair electron, in a molecule, in a molecule, first atom having lone pair electron, having lone pair electron, having lone pair electron, like we are writing here OH. So look, in that two lone pair electron is present, we can write the NH2. Here is also one lone pair electron is present, we can write the NR2. Here is also one lone pair electron is present, we can write the X halogen group. So it is also having the lone pair electron, it is going to act as the plus M effect, etc. So if anywhere such type of condition is coming, we can say that they are the plus M group. That means they are having tendency to donate the electron. Another one condition those we are going to write, in a molecule, in a molecule, electronegativity of electronegativity of first atom, electronegativity of first atom greater than second atom electronegativity. So here we can say that that is what? Plus M group. Like for example, we can write here isocyanide group. So in that isocyanide group, which one having the higher electronegativity? Nitrogen having the higher. Nitrogen is our first atom. It is having the higher electronegativity. So it is going to behave as a plus M group. Second thing, we can write the ONO. So look, oxygen having the higher electronegativity than the nitrogen. So it is going to behave as a what? Plus M group, and so on. Other thing, if any group having the negative charge, what is it? If any atom having negative charge, so definitely they are going to behave as what? Plus M effect. Suppose that here anything is written like that X minus. So it is going to behave as a plus M group. uh, Other thing thing is written like that, CH2 minus, it is going to behave as a plus M group, and etc. So that are some a trick. By that easily you can identify which one is the plus M effect and which one is the minus M effect. And really this is the very useful when we are going to identify which one is the more acidic and which one is the less acidic, which one is the more basic, which one is the less basic. Such type of question each and every year they are asking in our NEET and JEE exam, and student is having so much confusion in that how to identify plus M and minus M. So now we are going to draw some resonating structure. By that you can understood how write the resonating structure for the conjugated system. So look, because of here lone pair electron is present, so that is a plus M or minus M group. That is our plus M group. So this plus M group having tendency to donate the electron density. So electron density will come here. This electron density will move in that side. So further, how we can draw the structure? Here NH2 plus positive charge will come. What about in that condition? Here negative charge will come, double bond, this one. So it is going to move on this side, this is going to move on that side. So further what we can write, here double bond NH2 plus. Now after that here this one, that one, and here negative charge, this will move on this side, this will move on that side. So we can write here double bond NH2 plus, then after that here negative charge, this one, that one, like that. So further electron density will move on that side. So finally we can write the our this one. Once again we can write the same thing. So like that we are going to draw the resonating structure for any compound. And second thing I gave here for the free radical. So bit of for free radical, little difference here for drawing the resonating structure. In that uh, half electron will move on this side, and because of two electron is participating for making the one bond, so half electron will move on this side and half electron will move on that side. So, sorry, not half electrons. One electron will move on right hand side. One electron will move on left hand side. That means a homolytic cleavage of the pi bond will take place. So one electron, they are going to make a double bond. So finally, what we can say here, here double bond will come. In that condition, free radical will come. This one. So this will move on this side. This will move on that side. Here double bond CS2, this and that one. So this is going to move on this side, this is going to move on that side. So what will happen? Here we can draw free radical will come on that side and this one. Now further same thing will takes place here, like that cleavage. So what finally we can write here, CH2, then after that this one and that one. So how many total resonating structure is possible? One, two, three, four, and this one and that one, they are same. So we are not going to count this one. So total four resonating structure is possible in that case. So hope you all understood how we are going to write this thing. So actually next thing is coming. What is the application of the M effect or resonance effect? So first one is the stability of the carbocation. Okay. So carbocation stability is depend on how many plus m group is attached from it. So plus m group is going to increase the stability of the carbocation as well as plus I, but minus m and minus I group is going to decrease the stability of the carbocation. Suppose that here thing I'm going to write, if anywhere thing is written like CH2 double bond CH, here OH is written, this thing, that one is the first one. Second thing, because of wait, one is this thing, and second one, this one, and the third one, CH2 double bond CH, and here chlorine and CH2 plus. So look here, that one is the plus I group, this one is the plus I group. What about here? And also positive charge having the conjugation with double bond. So what will happen? Magnitude of positive charge is going to decrease by the plus I effect as well as by the mesomeric effect, because positive charge and double bond alternatively is present. So definitely conjugation, and here by the conjugation as well as by the plus I effect, both effect is going to decrease the magnitude of positive charge here. Here is only mesomeric effect is going to decrease the magnitude of positive charge. Here magnitude of positive charge is going to decrease by the mesomeric effect, that means resonance. But what about here? Those are the plus I effect. It is not, sorry, this is not the plus I group, that is the minus I group. So minus I group having tendency to withdraw the electron density. So definitely magnitude of positive charge will increase here. So when we are going to write the stability order of these carbocation, so what stability order should be here? So first is the highest stable, then second one at the end third. So stability order is this question asked in our JEE main 2013. What was that? The order of the stability of the following carbocation is. So look here. Here positive charge single bond double bond, so definitely resonance effect is possible here. How we can draw the resonating structure? We can write like that. So CH2 positive charge, and here CH double bond CH2, but that is the ethyl group is present, so this ethyl group is our plus I group. Here how many resonating structure is possible? There are four resonating structure is possible. So definitely if resonating structure is more, so stability will be high. So what about stability order here? Third, then after that first, at the end what will come? Second. So third, first, second. So D is our correct answer. Look how simple question is asking. Next one is coming stability of carbon ion. So stability of carbon ion is depend on magnitude minus M group and minus I group. That means if minus M group or minus I group is attached from the carbon ion, they are going to increase the stability. If plus M and plus I group is attached, so they are going to decrease the stability. You know why? Because of these two group having tendency to donate the electron density, and you know that if anywhere carbon having the negative charge, so this is indicate that it is having the electron density. So already it is having the electron density, and this plus M and plus I group is going to increase the electron density. So what will happen? Here magnitude of negative charge will increase. Ultimately, we can say that stability of carbon ion will decrease by the plus m and plus I. But minus m and minus I group having tendency to withdraw the electron density. So magnitude of negative charge will decrease. So stability will increase. So look in that case. So magnitude of negative charge can decrease by the two things. One is by the dispersion. That means if negative charge is going to disperse in whole molecule or whole ring, so definitely it is going to decrease the magnitude. So look in that there is two resonating structure is possible because of negative charge having the conjugation with these two double bond. So here what we can say that there are two conjugation system. Here is there is only one conjugation system. So in this carbon ion, which one is the more stable? Those one having the more conjugation system. More conjugation system means more dispersion of charge. More dispersion of charge, more stability of the carbocation or carbon ion. So which one is the more stable here? So stability of the second carbon ion is more as compared to the first one. Why? Because of here two resonating two conjugated system is present. Here only one conjugated system is present. Thing is given here. Arrange the following carbon ion in decreasing order of their stability. So in that we are going to do the order. So look, nitro group. So nitro group is our minus m group. CS3 group is our plus I group, and OCS3 is what? That is our plus m group. So beta, you know that those are the plus m group, and plus I group is going to decrease the stability of the carbon.